Exercise 33, page 66, question number 1. I'm going to attempt to do this question, or one very similar to it, in two ways. One way to treat it like an equation by putting the values in, and the second way is to rearrange the formula that we're given and then put in the values, and then you can decide for yourself which way suits you best. I'm going to use different values to the ones given in the question. I'm going to find L rather than the symbol rho, which is this symbol here. Often stands for density, but in this case, well, in this case it probably does actually stand for the density of the material that we're calculating the resistance across. So, for the values given on the right hand side here, I'm going to find L. And the first way I'm going to do is to put the values in. So the first thing we do is, here's the original formula, and then we put in the values that we're given. So R equals 2.58. The density rho is 3 times 10 to the minus 5. And A, which probably stands for the cross-sectional area, 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3. And we're going to find L. So the first thing to do in this particular case with this equation is to actually work out what 3 times 10 to the minus 5 divided by 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3 is. So I can write 2.58 equals, this turns out to be 0.012 L. And then, looking at the right hand side, I can see that L has been multiplied by 0.012, so divide by 0.012 and I'll get L. So L equals 2.58 divided by 0.012. Put that into the calculator and I'll get the value. The second way to do it is to leave the formula as it is. So on the right hand side here, I'm going to leave the formula as it is, R equals rho L over A, and I'm going to rearrange it. I'm after L, so I need to get rid of the rho and A. And if I look at it, it doesn't matter which order I do it in, the length has been multiplied by the density rho, so to get rid of rho, divide by rho, and L has been divided by A, so multiply by A to get rid of it. So effectively, I'm going to multiply both sides by A to get RA equals rho L, and then I'm going to divide both sides by rho. So RA over rho equals L. So I've got a new formula now to find L. L equals RA over rho. And now I've just put in the values and work out what L is. And I should get the same answer both ways. Try it for yourself and check. And which way suits you best. When you've done that, have a go at the original question and see if you get the answer in the textbook.